For those of you who didn't come to the booth today, I wanted to explain the craft we did. So we had two crafts actually. We had color contrasting craft and highlighting the salient features craft. So pretty much the reason why we did these two crafts, if you might not know already, is with high color contrast, well, first let's focus on the background. With the plain background, it makes it easier for kids with CVI to find what they're looking for since it's uncluttered. Think of it as the analogy with the needle in a haystack. If there's a needle in a haystack, it's really hard to find because there's so much clutter, so much things going around, it's a lot harder to find. But now if you just lay the needle down in an uncluttered environment, no more haystack, it's much easier to find. So that's why we have the black background. And then having the object in a really bright color like this helps bring the attention to the person, so then it's easier to find. But just because they find the object doesn't mean they can identify what it is. That's why we do salient features. So the salient features are like the key characteristics of the object that we highlight, so then we can identify it. For example, with the car, if you highlight the wheels, the headlights, and the windows, it helps you identify that it's a car. Because when you hear wheels, you're like, okay, now we know it's a vehicle. Now you got headlights, okay, now we're narrowing it down, and it helps them identify that it's a car.